Step 1. Plug in both your headphone and speaker to your computer. Step 2. Go to the search, type sound setting and click on it. Step 3. Scroll down and click on more sound setting. Step 4. Go to the playback tab, click on find your speaker and click set as default. A green tick will appear after confirming it as the default device. Step 5. Go to the recording tab and find stereo mix option. If you don't see it, right click on the white space and click on enable show disable devices. Step 6. Right click on stereo mix, then click on properties. Step 7. Go to the listen tab and click on enable listen to this device. Under playback through this device, select your headphone from the list. Step 8. Click apply and then click done. Turn it off, just uncheck, or to turn it off, just uncheck listen to these devices and click apply again. That's it.